Welcome to 208 Ballard number 1, located in Ypsilanti, Michigan. This bedroom can fit a twin bed as well as other furniture. The kitchen has granite countertops, as well as numerous storage areas. The bathroom has great lighting and multiple mirror storages. It also includes a roomy tub. This room can fit a twin as well as other furniture comfortably. It also features a storage area. This is the third bedroom. Here we have some extra storage. This bedroom is very spacious and can fit a queen bed as well as other furniture comfortably. This room also includes a roomy closet. This closet provides extra room for storage. The last bedroom is very roomy and can fit a full-size bed as well as other furniture comfortably. It also comes with a large closet. Apply for free at oldtownrealty.net, or to set up a showing, give us a call at 734-663-8989.